Hey there, YouTube friends. Say, I got this new little device, the Fanttick Air Inflator X9 Pro. It's a, what do you call it? Battery powered, whatever. I've never owned one of these. The one that I have is you connect your battery. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to do two tests. I'm going to try and inflate my tire here, an auto tire. I haven't gotten the air out yet, but I need to inflate this to 44 psi. And then over here on my 690, I need to inflate this to 25 psi. So I'm going to do two tires, and we shall see how this thing does on two tires. Alrighty, let's go for it. I'm going to deflate the tires and then try and inflate them, see how long it takes, see how well this sucker works. Alrighty, let's go for it. All right, as you can see, my tire is flat on there and my tire is flat over there. Now, this deal here, the way to turn it on is you just simply pull this little tube out and it'll come on. I got my, you can set your pressure. Can we see that? I don't know if we can see that. I'm going to set it to 44. I'm going to put it on there. Come on. And we'll start pumping. I think to turn it on, you just simply, nope. 3, 4. I think you just, there we go. See how long it takes to pump this tire up. I'm at 4 psi. No idea how long this will take. £22, halfway there. Okay, I'm gonna stop that at 40 pounds. That's plenty. That took about, I'm gonna say 14 minutes to get up to 40 pounds. I used 50% of my battery. So let's put it on the motorcycle here and see what that'll do. Ooh, that's hot. That's hot. Did better than I thought, I think. But I guess in a pinch, this will work pretty good. Pull this off. Oh, yikes. I also probably should change my battery in my camera because it's almost dead. Let's give it a shot. Let's see what happens. I did want to say too, real quick. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, did want to say too, for a motorcycle tire, for pulling out your valve stems, I use these valve caps here. If you can see it, they act as a valve stem core remover. If you can see that, so you don't need a special tool. It's actually, you can put it right on your valve stem. You can get these in any auto supply store. But let's try the motorcycle tire. We'll pump it up to 25 pounds. You can set your pressure here. I'll just go minus, I'm going to go to 22. Oop, that won't go. 26. The way you change that, because on a motorcycle it's default 26. On a car it's, you can, I don't know if you can see that. You can change it from, you can change modes from auto to motorcycle to bicycle to a ball. Let's try that, and let's go up to 22. Nope, that won't work. Dang it. I want to go to 22. Default's 35. Bicycle will let me go down to 22. I want to go to 22. That won't let me do it either. Dang it. Well, I guess we'll have to default to 26. Let's do 26. So let's set this up. Make sure I'm in camera view. Let's see if the battery will hold up. Set that up. Are we in view? Let's see. I think so. Okay, let's try that. About 50% battery. 0 PSI. Okay, so it did what it's supposed to do. It's when you set it to your PSI, it's supposed to shut off automatically when it meets that PSI, which it did. So that's pretty cool. So I was able to pump up an automobile tire to 40 PSI and a motorcycle tire to 26 PSI on 50% of the battery. Now, what I will say, the instructions on here, you know, they're okay. They work. It gives you the basic stuff you need. And it does come with a very short charging cable. I would call it 6 or 8 inch. I haven't unwrapped it to see, but it's pretty short. I guess it'll work. I don't know. You can charge it off your bike or whatever, your car, and a USB to a USB Type C. And let's take this off in order to turn it off. It's kind of cool. I'll just unplug this. Oh, come on. Come on. Any day now. Oh, it's a lot of thread on there, isn't it? Here it goes. Okay. In order to turn it on and off, all you do is you simply just plug this in, and that'll turn it off. Unplug it, it'll turn it on. Like I said, you can get your various modes with this button here. Probably can't see that. Now I'm down to 25% battery. Auto, motorcycle, bicycle, ball. I think auto is default 35, motorcycle's default 35, bicycle's default 45, and balls and stuff is default 8. Now it does have this little compartment down here with your sorceries for pumping up a ball, which you need a special tool to get this out. It's in there really tight, or you can break your fingernail. But anyways, and there's your charging port. It also has a flashlight. You can see that there. It has a flashlight, so you can see what you're doing in the dark. Turn it, and it has a strobe, which I hate strobe, whatever. Anyways, that's it. My little test and simple review of the Fanttick X9 Pro Air Inflator. Just thought I would finish up my car tire to 44. The battery's down pretty low. I don't know if that'll show. Let's see if it'll, should pop off in a second here. Okay, we reached 44. I still have a little battery left, so it's time for a recharge on this sucker. Overall, I'm pretty happy. Filled up 2 tires, which is pretty good, I think. And it was pretty easy. Probably took 2 tires, probably took, I'm going to say, let me see, what's my time here? I don't know, maybe 20 minutes, 22 minutes, something like that. All right, that's it.